the market debacle, but nevertheless, there's still quite a few to go over. And just wanted to give you a quick update. The market did great today, but the futures are down tonight. Not a surprise to me, as we're extended to a level that requires some pullback consolidation. Starting off with AEHR, which we took as when it got hammered down to the 2190 range. I felt it was so extremely oversold there was going to be a good swing trade back, and it did go back to 2563, about almost 4 points already. My target though is up around 2930, but we'll see where it goes from here. CLF may be taking over U.S. Steel, but with some good earnings reports, and you can see the declining tops line has been taken out. Its stock is extending after the breakout 3-4 days ago. I like the way it's extending now. There's some resistance at about 17, just under 17, 16.75 is resistance. Then that's followed by 18.75. So those are your two targets going forward. GEO, another nice day today. This is the highest close on GEO since way back here in February. So this base is coming out. It looks like this could extend to 10, 12, 14. HPK, also strong stock, consolidating at this level above the moving averages and price support. Looks to me like that flag breaks out. We're going to 20. LFMD, swing trade broke out here, ran up, and now it's flagging. It looks like it wants to extend. 8.75, 10.5, 3/4 are targets. Logitech popped out. We put a swing on it. It's made it up to the target number 1 already at 80.81. Second target 88. Momentus, after a big strong run and a nice orderly pullback, it's moving again. Now up 6 days in a row. Not a lot, but today's pop took it up about 17%. I'm now looking for an extension that takes this one immediately to the 5.75, 6 zone. Beyond that, maybe we're looking at 7.5, 3/4. NNOX, well, it had a big spike today. I put a swing back on. I just like the way it's looking. It is at the declining top line. It needs to get through here. This is big because it's been below that line since June. Breakout here, you might see a run towards 6.5, maybe even as high as 7.5, 8. PLTR came down in a nice orderly falling wedge on lower volume. Today it popped out nicely, jumped from 1528 to 1830, 3 points, and backed off to 1776, up to 84, 19% gain. A really good volume, the biggest volume we've seen on an up day since May. So it augurs well for an upside breakout through 18.5 and a run towards 20.5, 21 or more. POWW popped, flagged, and started to break out again. We put a swing on it and then popped again and pulled back, but I like the overall look. Target is 3.25 and 3.75. SLNO with explosive move and a multi-week, 4-week flag now, getting, or should I say coil, very narrow near the apex. A pop here and we may see the stock going to the low to mid 30s. SPR popped with a breakaway gap above the moving averages and settled in for a week or two, week and a half with a nice little pennant. That one's up, where it broke out. We're now up 4 days in a row from 21 to 25.25. My target is 29.30. SWBI still looking good, consolidating in this zone after retesting the trend line in 21-day moving average today. Slammed, snap back, only down a nickel on the day after being down $1 or $2. Let's just say this: if it gets above 14.85 or so, I'm looking for 15.75 and 16.75. And finally, ZYXI, which broke out of its base and across the declining tops line, looks like it might be headed higher. It's up for 6 days in a row now. I'm looking for a move to 10.5 and 11.25 in that zone. And that's it for tonight. And that's a look at the swing trades this week. Bye, everybody.